Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to withdraw cash or to check balances using your BLUEVINE debit card at ATMs. Let's get into it. First, you got to locate a MasterCard compatible ATM. BLUEVINE debit cards run on the MasterCard network. Once you find one, insert your BLUEVINE debit card into the ATM. Now you're going to enter your PIN, the same one that you set when activating your card for the first time. Now, choose the type of transaction that you want, such as withdrawals or balance inquiries. If withdrawing cash, you're going to need to enter the amount and then confirm. Keep in mind that daily withdrawal limits may apply. To collect, just once it's done and the cash comes out, collect your cash and receipt, and then remove your card when prompted. To check your BLUEVINE app afterwards, you do have to confirm that the withdrawal posted correctly and that there are no issues. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.